Hello students, welcome back to maths class. Today we will start one lengthy topic, pair of straight lines. So from this topic you are going to get two long questions. So 14 marks topic today we are dealing. Okay, so one 7 marks question from first two exercises and one 7 marks question from the last exercise conformly, right? From the first two exercises one long question you are going to get and one long question from the last exercise. Okay, so totally 14 marks for this topic, pair of straight lines. So first come to the definition of h is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is called homogeneous equation of second degree in x and y. See the power of x and y, highest power 2. So that's why it is second degree equation and it is called homogeneous equation of second degree, and this is called the general equation of second degree in x and y. First one is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, and the second one is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Both can be written as the combination of two lines, pair of lines, right? So it is the combination of a pair of lines. Here the two lines passes through the origin for this equation, and for this equation the two lines does not passes through the origin. If it passes through the origin, it is called homogeneous equation. Okay, now we will prove one 7 marks theorem. Observe carefully. If ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines, then angle between them is cos theta is equal to modulus of a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Okay, this is what we have to prove. It is a theorem, very important, most repeated theorem for 7 marks. Okay, so come on, try to prove. Generally theorem means we have to start with the proof. Okay, so what is the given information to us? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represents, right, a pair of straight line, right, a pair of straight lines. So whenever this line represents a pair of straight lines, it can be written as ax square plus 2hxy plus by square can be written as combination of two lines, that is L1x plus M1y into L2x plus M2y. Okay, if you want to see the diagram, right, so this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, this is the origin. So first line is OA and second line is OB. Okay, so this is your OA and this is your OB. So that curve we can take like this. Okay, so now come on, multiply these two equations and equate the coefficients of like terms on both sides. So come on, what happens? L1x into L2x. First with L1x multiply these two, next M1y multiply these two. So L1 L2 x into x square plus L1 M2 xy. Next, come on, this one M1 L2 xy plus M1 M2 y into y square. So observe x square term, xy term, y square term. So here also you take L1 L2 x square. Next you take xy terms. That means take xy common. Then what happens? L1 M2 plus L2 M1, and we have taken xy common plus M1 M2 y square. So comparing the coefficients of like terms on both sides, ax square 2hxy plus by square. Here you are having L1 L2 x square, this into xy plus m1 m2 y square. So comparing the coefficients of like terms on both sides, what happens? Your L1 L2 is equal to A, and this one L1 m2 plus L2 m1 is xy coefficient. Here xy coefficient is 2h. Okay, and B is y square coefficient. Here your y square coefficient is m1 m2. Okay, so m1 m2 is equal to B. Okay, so now we have to take, it is given that theta is the angle between, right, then angle between them is cos theta is equal to, so theta is the angle between OA and OB, right. So theta is angle between which two lines? Between OA and OB, right. Where what is OA? OA is equal to this one and OB is equal to this one. So where, write down what is your OA? OA bar is equal to L1x plus M1y, and OB bar is equal to L2x plus M2y. Okay, so now go to your straight lines. Angle between two lines A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0 is, what is the formula? Did you remember from our straight lines? Cos theta is equal to angle between two lines A1 A2 modulus of, isn't it, B1 B2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square. Here A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to one line, A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to another line. Then the angle between those two lines formula is this one from straight lines. Okay, now here your lines are, first line is L1x plus M1y, second line is L2x plus M2y. So this is your A1, this is your B1, this is your A2, this one is your B2. So come on, A1 is L1, A2 is L2 plus B1 is M1 and B2 is M2 by root of L1 square plus M1 square into root of L2 square plus M2 square. Okay, so now what is L1 L2? This is A, and what is your M1 M2? This is B. So and modulus is there, right? So is equal to modulus of A plus B by, what I said, root A into root B is equal to root of A into B. If both are having same power, we can take combinedly. So here we can write this as root of L1 square plus M1 square into L2 square plus M2 square. Okay, so is equal to modulus of A plus B by root of, come on, first with L1 square you multiply these two, next with M1 square you multiply these two. So what happens? L1 square L2 square plus L1 square M2 square. Okay, now with M1 square L2 square plus M1 square M2 square. Okay, so is equal to modulus of A plus B by root of, observe the value, both are having same power, so we can write combinedly L1 L2 whole square, and I will write first Second, this one m1 m2 whole square. Why we have to write like this, madam? So to get at the end root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. This is theorem. So prove that the angle cos theta is equal to modulus of a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. What is your a? Where a is L1, L2 and b is m1, m2. So to get that a minus b whole square means L1, L2 minus m1, m2 whole square we want. For that sake, first I have taken, this is okay, it is first term only, then I have taken this one. Plus is there, we can change the places according to the situation. Okay, so next, come on, what is the next value? L1 m2 whole square. Come on, next it is L2 m1 whole square. Okay, so now slowly try to get your answer. So modulus of a plus b by root of, so here see, to get our a minus b whole square means L1 L2 minus m1 m2 whole square. We need L1 L2 whole square plus m1 m2 whole square minus 2 L1 L2 m1 m2, isn't it? A minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab, where a is L1 L2, b is m1 m2. So whole square means L1 L2 whole square plus m1 m2 whole square minus 2 into L1 L2 m1 m2. It should be there. So we need that value. So just subtracting and adding that value. So come on, L1 L2 whole square plus m1 m2 whole square minus 2 L1 L2 m1 m2. It is subtracted means it should be balanced at the end, so it should be added. So if any value is subtracted, value should be added. 2 L1 L2 m1 m2 plus these two terms are there, L1 m2 whole square plus L2 m1 whole square. Okay, so now is equal to modulus of a plus b by root of, come on, this is, you consider this as a square plus b square minus 2ab form, a minus b whole square form. So it is L1 L2 minus m1 m2 whole square. Okay, next observe, I will write these values as L1 m2 whole square plus L2 m1 whole square plus 2. Multiplication and addition, we can change the places, it makes no difference. So I will write this as L1 m2 into L2 m1. Why we are writing like this? To get our required value. Observe, you consider this as a, right? L1 m2 as a, L2 m1 as b. So a square plus b square plus 2ab form. So a plus b whole square form. So is equal to, it is a plus b by, right? So root of, what is this? L1 L2 is a, in the beginning only we got L1 L2 is equal to a, m1 m2 is equal to b. So it is a minus b whole square plus, what is this? This is L1 m2 plus L2 m1 whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab form. Okay, so is equal to a plus b modulus, okay, by root of a minus b whole square plus, what is this value from the comparison? L1 m2 plus L2 m1 is equal to 2h, right? So 2h whole square, 2h whole square. So is equal to modulus of a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Okay, so observe, we have to prove that the angle between the two lines cos theta is equal to modulus of a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. You got your answer. So we can write hence proved. Okay, so come on girls, how we have to take? So this is the first theorem in your pair of straight lines. Okay, first I have given two definitions. One is homogeneous equation and second one is general equation of second degree. First one also homogeneous equation of second degree. The power of x and y is 2, highest power. So it is second degree equation. These two can be written as pair of two lines, right? Here the lines passing through the origin, here the lines does not pass through the origin. Okay, so now come to the theorem. If ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines, then angle between those two lines is cos theta. We have to prove cos theta is equal to modulus of a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So come on, theorem means we have to start answer with the proof, not solution. Okay, generally if we take any question we will write solution, but if theorem is there you have to write proof, right? So first let ax square plus 2hxy plus by square represents a pair of straight lines. So it is a homogeneous equation. We have to select two lines which passes through the origin. So this can be written as combination of two lines, pair of lines, right? It is a combination of two lines, L1x plus M1y plus into L2x plus M2y. Okay, so this is OA, this is OB. Okay, they are passing through the origin. Okay, so now multiply and compare the coefficients of like terms on both sides. First with L1x, these two values L1x into L2x, L1 L2 x square. Next L1x into M2y, so L1 M2 xy. Next with these two values M1y, right, M1 L2 xy, M1y into M2y, M1 M2 y square. Okay, so now write xy terms common, right? L1 L2 x square, M1 M2 y square. This is the xy term. So come on, now comparing the coefficients of like terms on both sides. Okay, let me write this equation here. This is equal to this is equal to this. It continues, right? So it is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Okay, so comparing the coefficients of like terms on both sides. X square coefficient is L1 L2, x square coefficient is a, right? Xy coefficient is L1 M2 plus L2 M1. So here xy coefficient is 2h. Y square coefficient is b and y square coefficient is M1 M2. Okay, so then now you take theta is the angle between OA and OB. This is your OA and this is your OB. So theta is the angle between the pair of lines, isn't it? So find the angle between them. Them means pair of straight lines. So which pair of straight lines which are there? So OA and OB are the pair of straight lines. So theta is the angle between OA and OB. Okay, so where OA is equal to L1x plus M1y, OB is equal to L2x plus M2y. Now from straight lines, go to your straight lines. When two lines are there, A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0, two lines are there, then to find the angle we used this formula cos theta is equal to modulus of A1 A2 plus B1 B2 by root of this into this. It is a formula from straight lines. When two lines are there, angle between two lines if we want to find, we have to use that formula. So here also two lines are there. Compare with A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, A2x plus B2y, right, plus C2 is equal to 0. Then A1 L1, B1 M1, A2 L2 and B2 M2. Substitute. Okay. then we got modulus of L1 L2 plus M1 M2. So what is your L1 L2? It is A, and what is your M1 M2? It is B. Okay, by, and whenever we are having same power, same root, we can take combinedly. So now multiply first with L1 square, you multiply these two. Next with M1 square, you multiply these two. Okay, now write combinedly again here. Same power is there. So L1 L2 whole square plus M1 M2 whole square. Then we can write this as, right, L1 M2 whole square and M1 L2 whole square. So actually here I have taken first one and last one together and the middle values next I have taken. Why we have to take like that means here at the end we should get root of A minus B whole square plus 4H square. A minus B whole square. A means L1 L2. B means M1 M2. So there we have to get L1 L2 minus M1 M2 whole square. So A minus B whole square form means A square plus B square minus 2AB form. So that's why first I have taken this first one and last one together. Okay, and the middle two terms together we have taken. After that, to get our A minus B whole square form, we need minus 2AB. That means minus 2 L1 L2 M1 M2 we want. So that's why I have taken that value, but it should be balanced. That's why added, subtracted and added. Okay, next from here to here, if you observe what happens, it is A square plus B square minus 2AB form. So A minus B whole square. Then from these three terms, first I have taken this one, next I have taken this one, and I changed the places according to the situation. In addition and in multiplication, we can change the places of the values. It doesn't make any difference. Okay, so this can be written as 2 into L1 M2 L2 M1 L1 M2 L2 M1. Again it is multiplication only. Now if you observe, this is of the form, you consider this as A, this as B. Don't think that A means L1 L2, just a formula, general formula form I am saying, right. So suppose this is A, this is B, it is of the form A square plus B square plus 2AB form. So A plus B whole square form we have to write, where A is this one, B is this one. Formula form I am saying. Okay, so L1 M2 plus L2 M1 whole square. But after the comparison, your L1 M2 L2 M1 value is 2H, right. So that's why it is a 2H whole square. 2 square is 4H square. So hence proved. Okay, so this is your 7 marks question, very important and most repeated question in your board exam. Okay, so always the pair of lines will be passing through the horizon, homogeneous equation. We can take the two lines like this, OA and OB, and we will represent that homogeneous equation as a combination of two lines, L1x plus M1y into L2x plus M2y. This is OA into OB form. Okay, this is your OA, this is your OB. Okay, after that multiply and write the like terms together, then comparing the coefficients of like terms on both sides. Then you will get your A value to H value, B value. After that, you consider the angle between OA and OB. They are nothing but the lines, straight lines. So angle between two straight lines formula is that one, cos theta is equal to modulus of A1 A2 plus B1 B2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square. So if both are having root, we can write combinedly. That's why I have taken combinedly. Okay, and after that we multiplied, and be careful, here I have taken first and the last term together. and middle terms together. That means now onwards, after multiplication, slowly we are trying to get the answer into a minus b whole square plus 4h square form. A minus b whole square, if we want to get, it should be L1 L2 minus m1 m2 whole square. L1 L2 minus m1 m2 whole square means it should be L1 L2 whole square plus m1 m2 whole square minus 2 L1 L2 m1 m2 a minus b whole square form. So for that sake, we need minus 2 L1 L2 m1 m2 to write this whole square form. That's why we have taken that minus and we added also. Okay, remember this point in this theorem. Only crucial thing is this one, right? If you know this one, then you can easily solve. So now it is exactly in your form, a square plus b square minus 2ab form. I am saying formula form, right? So a square plus b square minus 2ab means a minus b whole square. So in a place we are having L1 L2, in b place we are having m1 m2. So a minus b whole square form. Again we have adjusted these values in this form. Okay, so whenever plus we can replace, whenever multiplication and addition is there, we can replace the values. Okay, so it is L1 m2 whole square plus L2 m1 whole square plus 2 into, just I adjusted multiplication only, right? So L1 m2 L2 m1. So now it is in the formula form of a square plus b square plus 2ab form. So a plus b whole square. Okay, so root of a minus b whole square plus, this is nothing but 2h. 2h whole square is 4h square. You got the answer. Okay, practice this theorem. If you are attentive, hardly it takes 5 minutes to solve, to prove this theorem. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.